Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about warranty. It's not always easy to explain to somebody or to the brand to tell you if it really is defect or is not. This is an update about Yeskamo camera, and this is it. I want to say thanks to Nadia to helping me to find a way to tell me what exactly was wrong on it. She was perfect with me and I love it. And I just want to show you that's not you are here. I just want to show you, yes, they sent me a free one, another camera. Let's look inside exactly what we have. It's not gonna be long. Like always, we have the user manual. If you need help, the phone number and the email. For the warranty, always keep this. You have the cable. They gave me another one to fix on the wall or outside. And a brand new camera with, for sure, both antenna, brand new for the warranty. I had in touch base with Yeskamo and they promptly took my issue and decided to replace the unit. The purpose of this video is to update Yeskamo product, and I want to thank them to the height of quality of the service they gave me. What is really fun about Yeskamo, it's they have two branches, one in United States and the other one it's in UK. So if you need to reach them, it's easy with the phone number, email. I hope you like this video. If you love it, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.